Hello, welcome to another project crossover video. We're on the 2023 January paper 2. This is not regional. I keep joking, I think it's local, I don't know. And then we've got, this is out of date, look, 1.16 subscribers now. So thank you to those of you supporting the channel. Great job. Again, Gray's Hockey. If you want the 15% discount code, chuck a comment in and I will add the code as soon as I get it. Okay, scrolling down, here we are. Question number 1. Just fold my keyboard away. The page for a good jump. No, we're good. Okay, so show that. So we've actually got to do this division. This is such a common question. First thing we do is we turn these to improper fractions. 3 times 7 is 21. Add the 5 gives us 26 over 7. We're going to divide that by 1 times 8 is 8 plus 5 is 13 over 8. Next thing we do, keep, change, flip. So the divide turns into a multiply, and it's times by 8 over 13. Look at that. We can cross cancel here. Divide them by 13. We get 2 and a 1. So 2 times 2 times 8 is 16. 7 times 1 is 7, giving us 2 and 2 over 7. Done. Practice that, really important. Also, there's a lot of multiplying and divides. I haven't seen many adds and takeaways. Multiplying and dividing those mixed numbers really important. Okay, change a speed of 90 kilometers per hour to a speed in meters per second. Show you're working clearly. Okay, 90 km over 1 hour is 9,000 meters over 60 minutes, which is 9,000,000. Oh no, I don't need to see that. I'll turn that in centimeters. Idiot. We want it in meters over 3,600 seconds. Okay, so that's times by 1,000. Ooh, there's an error there. Times by 1,000, that's 90. That's 90,000 meters. And this one times by 60 and then times by 60 again. Now we put that through our calculator. So 90,000 divided by 3,600. Okay, that's a very, very nice number. It's 25 meters per second. Marvelous. Right, question 3, Venn diagram. Oh, there's been lots of these. Okay, I might have to do this again with my class. So A is the even numbers. Right, A intersection B is 12, 16, and 20. So that's easy. And they're done. I'm going to cross them off as a go. Even numbers are going in A. Could not tell you what's going in B. Even numbers are in A, meaning that 14 has to be in A and 18 has to be in A. So they're dealt with. Right. In the union of A and B, but then that dash means it's not in A and B at all, which means that is going to be on the outside. So 17 and 19 are the numbers that are on the outside there, meaning on this right-hand side, we've got 11, we've got 13, and we've got 15. So B could be, I don't even know what B could be. Crazy, but we've not told the categories. We've just been given these numbers. I just want to make that tidier. So that's what our Venn diagram should look like, and we've included everything through sort of crossing them out on that list. Okay, down we go. Question 4. Diagram shows a rectangle. Work out the perimeter. Because it's a rectangle, 5x minus 1 is going to be equal to 3x plus 7.4. First step, take away 3x. We've got 2x, take away 1 equals 7.4. Going to add 1 now to get rid of that. 8.4. Then we're going to divide it by 2. And that will give us what x is, which is 4.2. Now we need to work out what the lengths are. So 5 lots of 4.2, take away 1 is going to be that height. 5 times 2, 4.2. Take away 1. Unbelievable. 20. So the perimeter is going to be 24 plus 24 plus 20 plus 20. And that gives us 88 centimeters. Just double check my units. Yeah, 88 centimeters. That's question 4 done. Racing away. Question 5. The weight of a cake is 2.75 kilograms. Correct to 2 decimal places. So that's to the nearest 0.01. Write down the lower bound of the weight of that cake. So if you halve the accuracy measure, so 2 decimal places is to the nearest 0.01. If you halve that number, it gives you 0.005. And then you have to subtract it to get the lower bound. Now you can put this into your calculator. Because we're on iGCSE, we can use calculator at all times, it just helps. So we subtract it, and then to find the upper bound, we add it. So 2.755. Okay. Penny has worked out on her calculator. Her answer is this. Penny's answer is not sensible. By rounding each number to one significant figure, work out a suitable estimate. Right, so one significant figure means we've got 80 times by 60, and that's going to be divided by 2 squared. 80 times 60 is 4,800. 2 squared is 4. 1,200. There we go. Not a sensible answer at all. She's accidentally times it by 10 or something like that. Okay. Question 6. We'll give this one a go. I think I've got time. Points A and B are on a coordinate grid. Point A is 6, 4. B is 17J, where J is a constant. The midpoint of AB of coordinates K and 15. Find the value of J and K. So 6 plus 17 divided by 2 equals K. So for these midpoints, we add them together. That should be 17. 6 plus 17. So 6 plus 17 divided by 2 gives me 11.5. So K is 11.5. With J, not quite as simple as that. So 4 plus J divided by 2 will equal 15. So we work this out by multiplying by 2, and then we're going to take the 4 away. J is 26. Okay, we're going to stop it there. Part 1's done. I'll see you at part 2.